Hey, I've been getting a lot of questions on this whole process that I'm doing with this painting. I decided to do a second coat on the painting and I thought I would show you a little bit more. This is after the first coat and you're gonna notice it's really shiny. But, however, there were a couple of air bubbles over here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them. Yeah, there you see them. That I want to get rid of. So I'm gonna do a second coat. This is the product that I use, and Liquitex Pouring Medium. I just used the last of it by pouring it into this smaller bottle. Oh, there you go. And something new that I'm doing on this is, since this is such a large piece, I decided to do it on a shower curtain, and it really is the best idea ever, because when you can just peel off the pouring medium off the shower curtain, I can use this again. So you just have to make sure that it's level, and it should be level because we're right on the floor. And I usually just start in the middle. I put painter's tape on the edges, and what'll happen is that the pouring medium is going to run off the edges, and then after it's dry, I'm going to peel off the painter's tape. I've tried to not have the painter's tape and just let it run off the edges so I could have the edges really shiny, but that doesn't work out so great. What usually happens is that you just see these drips on the side, and it just looks horrible. So what I normally do now is I do this part for the top, wait for it to dry, and then I have a super shiny varnish from Liquitex that I put on the side. So I'm going to keep on pouring this on, and I'll watch it for a while for air bubbles. So you see some air bubbles over here. Just get rid of those. So I'll let you see it when it's done. Bye.